What's up, everybody? SaferWholesale.com. Check this one out. The Hitachi 300 MSA 4x4 utility quad on sale right now at SaferWholesale.com. And this one, check it on out. Again, it's 4x4 and it also is shaft driven. And again, 300 cc's of power. All kinds of goodies on it, optional. You've got your nice ball hitch right in the back, as well as disc brakes in the rear and the front as well. Your mono shock right there. Again, shaft driven, not chain, boys and girls. Check this one out. On special, on sale right now. Check out that rim right there. Your 10-inch rim, again, with your nice, large tire. You're about a 25-inch from the top to the bottom. Again, it is 4-stroke. You also have high, low, neutral, and reverse, as well as your 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, switchable within 1 second there. Again, your digital dash. We've got our lights, headlights, tail lights. Obviously, this right here is our kill switch. And then we've got her in and out with our winch. Now, this one here comes in a few different colors. We've got red, black, and blue in stock right now. And again, the optional winch right there. 2,000-pound winch. Independent suspension in the front as well. And again, disc brakes as well in the front. And we can add the snow plow. Water cooled. Give us a call right now, toll free, 866-606-3991. SaferWholesale.com is the website. Super bright LED lights right there. Nice rack in the front, in the back, backrest, and a nice wide seat. Call us right now with any questions. Toll free, 866-606-3991. Easy to ride, easy to drive. All you do is give it a little thumb throttle right there. This one's got all kinds of good power on it. Easy to ride, like I said, easy to drive. And we can ship it all over, nationwide. Call now, toll free, 866-606-3991. And again, switchable right here, right into 4-wheel drive for your off-road mega use. Give us a ring right now, toll free. We can ship every last unit nationwide. Calls today, 866-606-3991, SaferWholesale.com.